Welcome to Happy Hands and Hearts. We are entering a new age. For 50 years, the world of computers was hidden behind a wall called syntax. To talk to a machine, you had to learn strict, unforgiving languages. If you missed a single semicolon, the logic failed. This kept people out. But today, that wall is falling. AI is built on a different foundation, natural language and logic. Because the machine is learning to speak our language, the barrier to entry has collapsed. Anybody can learn AI because the only tool you need is a logical mind. We are moving from the age of the decoder to the age of the thinker. This is the logic of accessibility. Imagine you have a friend who has never seen a dog before. How would you describe one? You might try to list every detail, but you'd quickly find that the world is too complex for simple descriptions. In the old way of computing, we tried to give the machine exact rules. If it has 4 legs and a tail, it is a dog. But wait, a cat has those too. The computer gets confused because its rules aren't perfect. This is the limit of deductive logic, it's only as smart as the rules we write. A traditional computer is like this strict librarian. It only follows the exact instructions in its rules book. If the world doesn't fit the book, the librarian stops. It cannot adapt. It cannot learn. It only repeats. But AI is different. AI doesn't need a rule book. It is a statistical learner. Instead of being told what a dog is, it looks at millions of examples and figures it out for itself. It isn't thinking like a human, it is calculating the probability of a pattern. When we show an AI 1000 pictures of dogs, it notices patterns in the pixels, the curves of the ears, the texture of the fur. This is the heart of the technology, inductive logic. It moves from specific examples to a general understanding. Eventually, it doesn't need us to tell it anything, it just knows the pattern. This logic is already powering your world. From the movies your TV suggests to the way your phone recognizes your face, or how a car stays in its lane, it's all just pattern recognition. It is a tool that extends our own ability to see the world. We are going to walk this path together, from these simple drawings to the advanced math that builds these systems. Because the logic is universal, it will never grow old. Tools change, but the concepts stay. Logic is the heart of the new age, and anybody can learn it. I'm glad you're here. Subscribe to Happy Hands and Hearts, and let's move to the next fragment.